What's going on, guys, and welcome to the T. Shanley channel. My name is Dave, and hey, if you've had a beard for a while now, or even if you just started growing one out, you've probably noticed some beard dandruff on, under, or in your beard. And let's be honest, guys, nobody likes beard dandruff, especially those girls that you're trying to talk to. It's unattractive, annoying to deal with, and bad for your skin. But the good news is you can fight beard dandruff, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Let's get into it. So first off, it's not bacteria. So before we get into it, we're really going to clear up some misconceptions here. A lot of people think that beard dandruff is the result of bacteria building up on your beard and then affecting your skin. This is just not the case. A 2014 study from the Journal of Hospital Infection found something crazy. They found that people without facial hair actually had more bacteria on their skin on average than people with facial hair. So if bacteria is what you're worried about, you're all good, bro. Next, stop using body soap on your face. A lot of guys seem to think they can just use their regular body wash or bar of soap to, wash their body and then come up and wash their face. This is not the case. Matter of fact, this is probably what's causing all the dryness, all the dandruff, and the dry patches that are happening. In fact, according to a 2014 study, regular bars of soap actually have a pH level on average in the 9 to 10 range. This actually disrupts your own skin's pH level and can cause a dehydrating effect. So if you haven't already, it's time to stop using those traditional body washes and bars of soap on your face. It's just not working. Instead, you have to start washing your face with a quality face wash and an exfoliating scrub that are both meant for your face and not for the rest of your body. This is why T. Shanley's face wash system is so great. Their face wash and exfoliating scrub help wash away all the dirt, grime, and the bacteria that gets built up deep into your pores. Best of all, they don't mess with the pH balance of your skin, so they don't dry you out and dehydrate you. This helps keep your skin fresh and beard dandruff free. Third, try using a beard oil. If you've been washing your beard with shampoo and you've been applying conditioner in the shower, it might be time to start using a beard oil. Here's the problem. When you wash your beard that way, it actually strips the skin underneath of its natural oils, which causes it to dry out and causes dandruff. Plus, as a nice bonus, beard oil keeps your facial hair firm and in place, so it's easy to keep your facial hair nice and well shaped. Number 4, cut out fragrances. If you've been using beard care and skincare products that have fragrances, they actually might be causing your dandruff. It was found in 2017 that skincare products that have fragrances can actually cause red and itchy skin for people who have sensitive skin. It was also found that this could lead to dandruff. And that's why we recommend T. Shanley's system and products. Every single one of their creams and lotions is fragrance free, so you know that what you put on your face is not going to harm your skin. On the contrary, it's going to make it look great, it's going to keep it moisturized, and keep it dandruff free too. Now guys, I know beard dandruff can be a burden. I've had it before and it sucks. So give these 4 things a try. Let us know how it goes, and hopefully it's going to help that beard dandruff be gone for good. Now, if you want to see more videos from T. Shanley, just click right over here. And if you want to see some of T. Shanley's products, you can click right over here. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.